What if you could make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your bank account and seeing that you've earned money overnight without working a single extra hour. That's the power of passive income. But here's the truth. In 2025, not every passive income idea actually works anymore. The internet is full of outdated advice, like just start a blog or invest in crypto. But most of that doesn't really generate real, consistent income today. So in this video, we're re-breaking down 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. Strategies that real people are using right now to build steady streams of income. Stick with me till the end, because number 5 might surprise you. It is one of the most overlooked income streams of this year. Section 1. YouTube automation channels. Passive income through content. Start with one of the most popular and profitable passive income streams in 2025. YouTube automation channels. No, you don't have to show your face and you don't even have to talk. This business model involves creating faceless YouTube channels, often in niches like finance, celebrity news, crime stories, motivation, or luxury, and outsourcing the video creation process to freelancers. Here's how it works. You pick a profitable niche, something that has consistent search demand and good ad revenue. You hire a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, and a video editor. You upload regular videos, optimize them for SEO, and monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Once your channel starts getting consistent views, you'll start earning ad revenue every single day, even while you're not working. In 2025, YouTube's algorithm favors high-retention videos, meaning if you can keep people watching longer, your videos get pushed out to more viewers. The best part? After the initial setup, the channel becomes mostly automated. You pay a small team to keep producing, and your revenue scales over time. Real creators are making anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 per month this way, and some channels earn 6 figures a year completely passively. Section 2. Dividend investing. Cash flow from stocks. The second passive income idea that actually works in 2025 is dividend investing. Dividend investing is one of the oldest, safest, and most reliable passive income methods out there. Here's the idea. You buy shares of companies that regularly pay dividends, a portion of their profits shared with shareholders. Every quarter or month, you receive cash payments just for owning the stock. It is like owning a small piece of a business and getting paid automatically without lifting a finger. For example, companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple have been paying dividends for decades. And in 2025, new sectors like renewable energy, AI tech, and cybersecurity have joined the dividend space, meaning you can earn steady cash from modern growing industries too. Let's say you invest $10,000 in dividend-paying stocks with an average 5% annual yield. That's $500 a year, just for holding the stocks. Now imagine if you reinvested those dividends every year. Thanks to compound growth, that $10,000 could turn into over $16,000 in 10 years without adding any new money. It's not a get-rich-quick plan. It's a build wealth slowly but safely strategy. Many investors use this approach to eventually live off dividends, creating a consistent, predictable passive income stream for life. And in 2025, platforms like Robinhood, Public, and eToro make it easier than ever to start dividend investing, even with as little as $10. Section 3. Digital products and online courses. Now, talk about one of the most scalable passive income streams today: digital products and online courses. In 2025, the e-learning and digital content market is booming. People are constantly searching for knowledge, whether it's how to edit videos, how to start a side hustle, or how to cook healthy meals. If you have expertise in anything, you can package that knowledge into a digital product, like an ebook, a course, or a template, and sell it online 24/7. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it incredibly easy to launch and automate everything, from payment processing to content delivery. Here's how it becomes passive. You create your course or product once. You set up automated marketing through email funnels, YouTube videos, or TikTok clips. Customers keep buying your product, even while you're asleep. Creators in 2025 are earning anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000 per month, depending on how well their content solves a problem. Here's an example. A video editor creates a YouTube thumbnail template pack and sells it for $15. If just 1,000 people buy it, that's $15,000 from one digital file. The best part is, once it's made, it keeps selling with almost zero maintenance. So if you're creative or skilled in any area, digital products are an amazing way to turn your knowledge into passive income. Section 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Coming in at number 4, we have real estate crowdfunding, one of the most accessible ways to earn passive income from property in 2025. Traditional real estate used to require huge capital, like $50,000 or more. But today, crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet have completely changed the game. Here's how it works. You pool your money with thousands of other investors to buy income-generating properties, like apartment buildings, warehouses, or shopping centers. Each month or quarter, you earn a share of the rental income and property appreciation. It's truly hands-off. You don't deal with tenants, repairs, or management headaches. With as little as $100 to $500, you can start investing in real estate and earn 7% to 12% returns annually, depending on the project. And since the demand for housing and commercial space continues to rise in 2025, real estate remains one of the most stable ways to grow wealth passively. Many investors diversify their portfolio, combining dividend stocks and real estate crowdfunding, to create two strong passive income sources that complement each other. Section 5. AI tools and automation businesses. Finally, let's talk about the newest and fastest growing passive income trend of 2025. AI-powered businesses. Artificial intelligence has completely changed the way people make money online. Now, individuals are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Pika Labs, and Eleven Labs to create automated systems that run almost entirely on autopilot. Here are a few examples of AI-based passive income streams. Creating and selling AI-generated art, logos, and designs on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. Launching AI-powered blogs that generate SEO articles automatically and earn ad revenue. Building AI chatbot services for businesses, where you set up the system once and clients pay you monthly for maintenance. Using AI video tools to create faceless YouTube channels in record time. These methods can generate thousands of dollars per month, and once you've built the system, it runs itself with very little effort. For instance, one creator uses AI to produce 10 YouTube videos a week, automatically scripted, voiced, and edited, and earns consistent ad revenue while barely touching the process. The key here is automation. The more tasks you automate using AI, the more your time frees up, and your business becomes truly passive. AI tools in 2025 are faster, smarter, and cheaper than ever, meaning even small creators can build systems that once required entire teams. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, learning how to integrate AI into your income strategy is one of the smartest moves you can make right now. Bonus idea. Before we wrap up, here's a quick bonus passive income idea: affiliate marketing. It's simple. You promote other people's products using special links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. You can combine this with YouTube videos, blogs, or social media posts, and once your content is online, it keeps bringing in sales long-term. With affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact, you can find thousands of products to promote. In 2025, affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest ways for beginners to start making passive income, with almost no upfront cost. So there you have it, the 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. YouTube automation channels, dividend investing, digital products and courses, real estate crowdfunding, AI-powered businesses. Each one of these can generate consistent, scalable income if you put in the effort up front. The key to passive income isn't about doing nothing, it's about building systems that work for you. Start small. Focus on one idea, learn it deeply, and grow it steadily. Over time, you'll create multiple streams of income that give you freedom. Financial freedom, time freedom, and peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below. Thanks for watching.